Hello kids, welcome to Ishita Chalk Talk. Today we will learn about 10 good habits. Are you ready? Let's begin. Wake up early in the morning. Early risers feel fresh and active all day. Do some exercise every day. Exercise makes our body strong and healthy. Brush your teeth twice a day. Clean teeth keep us smiling bright. Take a bath every day. Bathing keeps us fresh and clean. Comb your hair neatly. Wash your hands before eating. Clean hands keeps us safe from germs. Eat healthy food. Healthy food gives us energy and makes us strong. Drink plenty of clean water. Water keeps us healthy and active. Always throw waste in the dustbin. Keep your surroundings clean. Be kind to animals. Love and care make the world a better place. Great job, kids. Let's follow them every day and grow healthy, smart and kind. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.